Hi, I'm the Moorlander and this is Moorlander EDC. Now, from a different location in my garden, slightly where I do some filming. But this has just arrived, literally just this second, come through the post. I'm that impatient, I needed to make some content on this straight away. This is a two-piece NATO style strap from Hawkrigger. Hawkrigger are hands down, as far as watch strap companies here in the UK, Hawkrigger are at the top of my list. The guy that runs the company, Stuart, is an absolute legend. I've been looking for a NATO style strap for my Garmin Instinct 2X Tactical Solar, all of the other words that go with the name of that watch. And I'd seen that they got this in the colour that I wanted. I dropped them a message. It said, yeah, we'll make you on. I paid for it myself. But as I mentioned, this is just this second turned up. I really did want to make some content on it, hence the scrappy kind of nature of this. So let's turn the camera around. Let's go and probably sit down at my desk and let's see exactly why these straps are as cool AF. Let's take a closer look. Now you'll have to excuse the mess on my desk, but you know, this is my desk and it is rather messy. Okay, so here we have the bits that we need. Now when you open the box, depending on what you're getting, you'll get the strap in here, and if you need some additional bars, you can purchase additional bars. Stuart was good enough to send me some additional bars, but if I believe rightly, I can take the bars out of here, but it's good to have those just in case. And then what you're also going to need is, so this is one of those SIM card tools, but really it's very similar to removing a strap from any other watch with these. The Instincts are different from some of the other Phoenix models, and they have a pin, so that there's a bar in here. If I push this in, where are we? Trying to do this on camera. Sorry, just had to practice that off camera for a second there. But if I push that in, hopefully you're able to see that that spring has come out. Let's do it on the other side as well. There we go. So that is one off, and yes, you can remove the springs. So these are the original springs that came with the original straps. You can do the same on this side, which again, I just need to make sure I've got this right. There we go, we've poked that in. And that's just released there. Give it a push in on this side, and that's done it as well. Oh, that was my mobile phone. See, I'm doing this very impromptu at the moment. I wasn't expecting to do this, but I wanted to show this. So let's just turn. Oh, shush, you stupid phone. Let's turn that off. Right, okay. So we now have both of the straps off of here, so I can put those to one side. Still have the original bars, but then I also have these bars just in case, which is great. And then inside here, we have the strap itself. Now I just need to make sure that this is orientated in the right direction. I believe that comes at the front here. It does, yes. So the strap on this is a 22mm strap. Just make sure that I'm right on that. I believe it is. Yeah, it's a 22mm. But the lugs on this are a 26mm lug, so enable to do that. So this is made from some really nice webbing, mil-spec webbing. All of the metal bits are all produced by Stu himself. You can even see him. He's got a device that helps to press these. And it's all sourced locally here in either in England or in the UK. And then here at the end, so this, I guess this would be that kind of adapter which changes it from 22mm all the way up to 26mm. It just flares out at the end here slightly. So if I put this bar through here, I'm just going to hold that in place, put it in on this bottom one. It's always good fun trying to do stuff on camera whilst also trying to see myself do it in real life. Are we in? Nope, we just missed. Dang it! Oh, it's right here in front of me. Let's try that again. Yeah, that one's in. And then here on the back. Now, while I'm doing this, I just want to give a big shout out to Stu. He's a top fella. I have made a few pieces of content on different watches. I've had a few different straps from him. And yeah, you know, he makes everything here in the UK, tries to source everything from here in the UK as well. I think it's still a one-man business, but you know, he's making some absolutely amazing straps. I've had a few of these. This is my second Airborne one like this. I do have one on one of my Seiko watches, which works really well with the one that I've got. Come on, you bugger. Oh, we're in. We are in. We are in like Flynn, as they say. So there you go. So we're on. Now this is, I guess really it is considered to be a two-part one. So you can completely undo this, but when you want to put it on, it does rattle a little bit to start off with. But you put it on. Let's pull that a little bit tighter. It'll be easier to get it on there. You get it on, hand in. Come on. Pull it a little bit tighter here, and then you have a keeper on the opposite side. So when your hand's flat down, I actually need to move that keeper back a little bit, but you can pass that through here, pass that back through here, which will keep the strap in place. And what it also means is, because this bit is here right at the front, close to your wrist, and then the other bit, that looks shocking at the moment because it's in the wrong place, but your hand lies perfectly flat, so you don't have your buckle here that you would have underneath against the surface. In fact, let's move this. Let's sort this properly. This is all interesting, isn't it? Whilst Randy fiddles with his watch strap. But there are a few different colours of these Airborne ones. There's a really nice orange, which is kind of a black and yellow one, which is also really nice. There we go, that's right. And you can decide whether you want to have a metal strap keeper on this end, or you can decide if you want to have a Cordura strap keeper. There's a few different options that you can do. So there you go, that's perfect now. So this is just on this inside, that bit's there, so that when I'm working, I don't have a buckle here. My hand just flows perfectly over my desk, and this is locked into place. That is a damn fine strap. I do need to have just a little bit more of a fiddle actually. Probably need to move this just extra, say 10mm that way, which I can do because there's still plenty of room. But yes, Stu, Hawkrigger, absolutely amazing straps. Love these. Can't recommend them highly. I recommend them highly. That came out wrong. Yes, I recommend these highly. Yeah, awesome straps. So there you go. It's on. It's exactly as I was expecting. Do you know what? Actually, I'd say it surpassed my expectations. It looks a lot cooler in real life. There is a slight difference in the tone of the tan on the Instinct and on the what's it, but I really don't care about that. I like exactly how it looks. But yeah, as I've mentioned several times, Stu from Hawkrigger is an absolute legend. The watches, the straps that he makes are world class. They genuinely are world class. I want to give a massive thumbs up to Stu because of what a legend he is. I'll leave some links below so that you can see more from Hawkrigger. They make one-piece straps, they make two-piece straps. They also do like the Marine Nationale French versions where they had the elastic on there. All of the hardware, it's all made by him. Absolutely amazing fabrications and manufacturing skills. Absolutely amazing. Yes, all of those links will be below. Huge shout out to Stu. I'll leave some of my social media links below so you can see more from me here on Moorlander EDC and my sister channel, Moorlander Tactical. And whether you're watching this on YouTube or Rumble, as always, stay safe, stay Moorlander, and stay EDC.